What is square? Square, all the way from medieval ages, was a place where people gathered, celebrated, spent their time. It was a place designed to bring people together. But honestly, can you think of any square like that today? Well, today I'm going to show you one exception. This is Jiřího's Poděbrad, or the Square of George of Poděbrady, or JZP, as local residents like to call it. Founded in the year 1896, it became quickly a centerpiece of the life of nearby residents, and today it's a square that thrives in life and works exactly how the square should. So, let me show you around. First of all, the square became primarily popular in the last few years because of its farmers markets. They have them here every week from Thursday to Saturday, so people can come and buy some local products from local craftsmanship. So let's take a look around. Main building of the whole square is of course the Church of the Most Sacred Heart of Our Lord. It's a building that was built between years 1928 to 32 by quite famous Slovenian architect Josef Plečnik, who for example also worked on the renovations of the Prague castle. By the way, the building's supposed to resemble early Christian architecture and Noah's Ark. Just a few steps from the church is this amazing bakery called Antoninovo Pekařství. Opened up just a few years ago, and they have really one of the best breads that you can get in Prague. Now, fun fact to the side, the bakery was actually founded by a guy who previously owned a company for board games. Over the last 2 years, donuts became really popular in Prague, and probably one of the best donut shops that you can find in the Prague city center is actually right here. Probably the best cafe that you can visit here on Jiřího's Poděbrad is a cafe called Caffeine. Caffeine is a Vietnamese cafe. There's a whole bunch of Vietnamese restaurants around the city, but there's not a whole lot of Vietnamese cafe, and this is probably by far the most famous one. Caffeine Cafe was founded about a year ago, and since then it became an unthinkable part of this square. It's an ideal place for breakfast as well as early lunch. Led by young entrepreneur Jackie, whose family owns a couple Vietnamese restaurants in Prague, it became the first Vietnamese cafe with specialty coffee in the city. In the last few years, chicks started loving Vietnamese food. The reason is pretty obvious. Our national cuisine is very heavy, and this is always light and tasty. By far, this is my favorite dish called Bum Bonambo. So, let's dive into it. So, this was our final stop on a journey through Jiřího's Poděbrad. So if you decide to escape these thousands of tourists at the Old Town Square and see something a little more local, just hop on a metro and it's only a few stops from the Old Town. Also, if you want to see more cool videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check us out on socials, and also you can join us on the walks if you want to see Prague through the eyes of the locals for yourself. So, until next time, see ya!